Well, I think today is about kind of showing kids in the community about the RV industry, specifically just getting them to interact with the units and seeing kind of what the RV industry is all about.
I like the deck. After you stop, you can pull out the deck and relax, watch the outdoors.
So Boys and Girls Clubs, ages 6 to 18, we have over 5,000 members. And our mission is to inspire and empower all of our children to reach their full potential to become productive, responsible, and caring citizens.
Whether it was the little ones, our first and second graders walking through what they saw was a house, with some wheels, but even our elementary, middle school kids also just began to ask a few more questions as we thought about what does it mean to do camp experiences. They were hearing stories around the campfire while they were doing s'mores, tie-dyeing, and then also doing some soil conservation activities and learning a little bit more about our world.
My favorite thing is the tie-dye station. I really like to make my own t-shirt and tie-dyeing and also helping the other kids.
This is their place where they can grow and change and try new things, explore new ideas. But it's also a place that has impact 5 and 10 years out from graduation from high school. It's our commitment as youth development professionals to make sure that each member here has a plan after they graduate from high school.
They've never had an opportunity to walk into RVs and see this, and their eyes are wide open. And the exciting part is, through our robotic program and through our Legos, our kids build RVs at 8, 9, and 10 years old. And some of our robotics kids are learning how to make them slide out with Legos. This is our future workforce here, and to be able to have something that they do in the education area, in our STEM rooms and our robotics, have them be able to come here and actually physically walk in.
Really our goal is to help them to be successful and productive in life. I'm really excited to have our V-Day happen, our Camp at the Club, because we are about to launch our new employment training program. And what that does is it's getting kids to start thinking about what track they're on. So are they going to go into the military? Are they going to go right to work after school? Or are they going to a 4-year college? And we're trying to get kids to think about that younger and younger and just introduce them to all of the amazing opportunities that are here in our community.
But we can't also just overlook the fun factor of today. Just having those kids, they were having fun outside. They were enjoying themselves. It was a beautiful day, and that's what we're talking about. We're helping our kids have safe, fun experiences, and it's partnerships with Keystone that allow us to have those kinds of enriching experiences within our club program.
I like everything.